Greetings, how are you today? Hey, I have a question for you. Have you ever thought of hiring a business coach? I did. And I know what you're thinking. What on earth do you need a business coach for? You're an artist and an author. How hard is it to paint pictures and write books? Well, let me tell you, there's a lot more to being a full-time artist than just painting pictures and writing books. There is the scheduling, there is the planning. I also teach, so I have to design new classes and courses and then promote said classes and courses. There's booking art shows and galleries. There's 1,000,001 jobs to do as a full-time artist. So my reasoning was to get a business coach. Maybe they could help me automate some of these repetitive tasks and streamline my business, if you will, so that I have more time to do what I really, really like doing, which is painting pictures and writing books. Anyway, instead of making my life easier, which is really what I was hoping for, I got a whole list of to-dos. But I'm hopeful that at the end of this process, when I've worked through some of these to-dos, it will actually automate some of those tasks and free up some of the things that really suck my time and take me away from what I really love. But at the very top of the to-do list was this: talking to you on YouTube. So here I am. I'm doing as I'm told, which really kind of goes against the grain. I don't usually do as I'm told, but here I am. So I'll keep you updated on whether or not the business coach idea is working and I actually do get more done and paint more pictures, or it's just a waste of time and energy and money. I will keep you posted. So have a wonderful day.